In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up an Elementor website. Before we begin, here's why this matters. Elementor helps you design beautiful pages, but all that work lives inside your WordPress site. A backup is your safety net. If an update goes wrong, a plugin conflicts, or something breaks, a recent backup lets you roll back with confidence instead of rebuilding from scratch. Start inside your WordPress dashboard. This is the admin area where you manage your site. On the left-hand menu, go to Plugins, then choose Add New. This is where we'll get a trusted backup tool. In the search bar on the top right, type Updraft Plus. You can also search for All-in-One WP Migration as an alternative, but in this walkthrough, we'll use Updraft Plus because it gives a clear, simple backup of both your files and your database. When you see Updraft Plus in the results, click Install, and after it finishes, click Activate. Give it a moment. You'll know it's ready when you see it appear in your plugins list and a new settings area becomes available. Now let's create the backup. In the left-hand menu, go to Settings, then click Updraft Plus Backups. You'll land on the main control panel for the plugin. Look for the Backup Now button and click it. A small window will appear with options. Make sure both Include Database and Include Files are selected. This combination captures everything your Elementor site depends on. Your pages, posts, templates, widgets, theme and plugin files, media uploads, and the database that ties it all together. When both boxes are ticked, click Backup. Now again to start the process. While the backup runs, keep the tab open and avoid navigating away. The time it takes depends on your hosting speed and the size of your site, especially your media library. If your site is large, that's normal. Just let it complete. Updraft Plus will show progress messages so you know it's working. As a tip, ensure your hosting has enough space available, since a backup temporarily needs room to compile your files. When it finishes, you'll see a success message and your new backup listed in the plugin's interface. That's your restore point if you ever need it. This one backup covers your Elementor designs and the rest of your WordPress content together, which is exactly what you want for a reliable safety net. That's it. You've installed a trusted plugin and created a complete backup of your Elementor website in just a few clicks. Make a habit of repeating this before major updates or design changes so you always have a recent restore point. Thanks for watching and happy building.